Soft pull or full report? Let's break it down so you know which one you need and why. Hi, I'm Charles, and today I'm explaining the difference between a soft pull mortgage credit report and the credit report you get from annualcreditreport.com. Stick around to find out which one gives you more information and why it matters. Let's start with a soft pull mortgage credit report, what it is. A quick look at your credit that lenders use to see if you pre-qualify for a mortgage. What it shows. Basic info like your score range, open accounts, and overall credit health. Why it's useful. It doesn't affect your credit score, so lenders can check without lowering it. Now let's talk about the report from annualcreditreport.com what it is. A full credit report you can get free once a year from each credit bureau. Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. What it shows: everything. All your accounts, balances, payment history, and even hard inquiries. Why it's better. If you're fixing your credit or planning to apply for a mortgage, this report gives you the complete picture. Here's the secret. If you're serious about fixing your credit or buying a home, start with your annualcreditreport.com. Report to find and fix any mistakes. Use a soft pull later to see if you pre-qualify for a mortgage without hurting your score. Now you know which credit report to get and when to use it. Hit subscribe for more tips to fix your credit and qualify for your dream home. Let me know in the comments which report you're getting first.